Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on TikTok app. Okay, then tap on profile. Then click on three line option. Then tap on settings and privacy. Okay, then scroll down. Then tap on privacy option, then scroll, then blocked accounts, then click, then all blocked account, just click on unblock, then this person is unblocked. Done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.